Greetings from Erstaviksbadet, one of the most beautiful beaches in Stockholm region. Located in the Nacka municipality, in the Erstavik Nature Reserve. The beautiful nature reserve that I have visited many times before. But today I'm showing you the actual big sandy beach called Erstaviksbadet. And it's amazing indeed. We have a wonderful Tuesday, 28th of May. It is 27 degrees Celsius right now, and I already measured the temperature in the Baltic Sea. It is 19 degrees Celsius. I cannot believe it. Yesterday I was shocked when it was 20 degrees in Erstaviksbadet, which is a lake, but now also in the Baltic Sea the temperatures have risen a lot. For comparison, on the other side of the Baltic Sea in Latvia, where I was over the weekend, it was between 12 to 16 degrees this weekend. But this over here, it's kind of a small bay, so to be fair, it gets warmed up a bit easier than the rest of the open sea. We can see Tiras also on the other side, and we can see also the rocks here that start, and they are quite nice, and I have visited them when the beach is crowded. But today there was not so many people on the beach, so I decided to take a swim right here. And I have gotten here with my bicycle that you can see there in the forest, my gravel bike spot. It took me 16 kilometers. It's quite an easy ride. Around 11 kilometers road and 5 kilometers off-road in the most beautiful forest. So yes, I really look forward to take a swim, but also to chill a bit on the beach, as we have a wonderful day and the sun is setting now almost at 10 p.m. So it's a wonderful after-work activity to go to the beach and to enjoy when we have so long days right now in Stockholm. So yeah, now let's take a swim! Indeed, I'm so happy right now. First on the way here, I was a bit hesitant. I wanted to go somewhere closer in a lake, but then I was like, I knew that it's gonna be a success if I head over to the sea, and it definitely is a success. Look at that view. It's amazing. Mix of sandy beach with the most beautiful nature, the most beautiful rocks, and the most beautiful sea. It's a perfect combination. I have made a short video of the top 3 beaches in Stockholm region last year, and Erstavik was one of them. So I will need to maybe redo now the video with fresh stats. But yeah, there are so many beautiful beaches in Stockholm. One would not think that Stockholm is a summer destination, but very soon it might be. With the global warming, unfortunately, that the Mediterranean climate will be unbearable for the tourists, so they will try to search for something colder and nicer and more fresh in the beautiful nature of Sweden. Yes, this is beach number 46, so we continue with the beach adventures. And if you have been following my channel, you see that I don't post beach videos, beach adventures only. I also post dance shorts. So the short videos on the shorts feed for that are mostly related to Eurovision, but there I put also some beaches, so it's mostly beach connected anyways, even though it is Eurovision. And my channel is renamed now to Beach Adventures with Chris ESC, which is short for Eurovision Song Contest. So, and it's gonna be a lot more Eurovision videos during the Eurovision season. After that, the beach adventures are back as usual, of course. Alright, let's dive in the most beautiful Baltic Sea at Erstaviksbadet. I'm so happy right now. Let's go! It's so beautiful. It's so warm. 19 degrees in the water. I don't feel cold at all. 27 in the air. I just can't believe it that this is happening in the month of May in Sweden. But yeah, it's fantastic indeed. Look at that. That's gonna give you now a closer view on the beauty of the nature here in Erstavik. So we have rocks, then continuing with some trees and forest, and then the sandy beach colliding with the Baltic Sea. And there is one smaller sandy beach at the end of this one that I have shown you already earlier this year, but also last year. Alright, then I'm gonna be enjoying with some sunbathing here at this beautiful beach, Erstaviksbadet. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!